Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. See, and you'll be amazed. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.